So welcome to Techno Dad Life, and on today's episode we're going to be going over what's going to be happening over the next month, 6 months, and next year for our New Year's. And first of all, I'd like to thank you because this would not all be possible without you, and what we're going to be doing is doing a couple things so you have more involvement in the process. So number one, we're going to continue having fun building, learning, and creating, and so what we're going to be doing is having some polls to find out what people want to see more of or what less of. Another thing we're going to be doing is starting a guide. So basically we're going to be going and making over the most popular videos and make them even more detailed, and we're going to be having some written instructions for those. Because I'm going to be making written instructions, it's going to take a little bit longer to do it, so I'm only going to be publishing one video a week for a while I'm increasing the quality of the videos. So the other thing that I'm going to be doing is, you can tell the video quality is going to improve as the sound quality is going to improve too. The sound quality has actually improved greatly over the last year. If you go back to some of the first videos of the year, sometimes there's only one channel, sometimes you can't really hear things. One of the things that improved things was this mic. If you go through the videos through this year, you'll hear the different sound qualities as I was trying out different mics through the year. The other thing that's improving is the video. So basically I got a new camera, and this is my first video where it's actually white balance, so I never knew how to do that before. And so what we're going to be looking in the future is to color balance things so things look better there. Next thing is we're going to offering new t-shirts, and so basically, I have to stand on my tiptoes to see this. These are Techno Dad Life shirts, and I'll put a link down to them below. And if we look at the back, you can see it says build, learn, and create on it. And so this was something that a few people asked me for, so I spent a little time making these. It has the Techno Dad Life logo on the front, and then the build, learn, and create on the back. The other thing that people have been asking for is stickers. So I made up some stickers. You can do those, and you can just put them on your laptop or wherever you like. And then for myself, since I drink a lot of coffee and tea, I made these little mugs too. Next, I want to just challenge you. So we are a community, and one of my hopes or goals for the new year is to see more involvement in the community. So if you successfully got a Docker to run or something like that, take a look down in the comments or go to the forums and help other people out. Some of our more involved Dockers, like Let's Encrypt or Nextcloud, people really have a hard time on it, lots of problems with those. So if you do understand those, please take a few minutes, maybe once a week or daily or however often you want. Just go look at the forums or the comments and see if there's somebody you can help out. That way we all help each other out. Okay, finally, one of my goals for this year is to become a full-time YouTuber. And so I'm a really long ways away from that goal, but with your help we can do it. And so if that happens, then I'll be able to actually publish more videos and again increase that quality as we go along. So if you want to help me do that, just look down in the links below. There's several things you can do. So one is, buy a t-shirt or a mug or a sticker. Another is you can look towards Patreon. Patreon is a way of sponsoring me through a monthly donation. And so you can donate at whatever level, and if you look at Patreon, there's different levels, and you can either see your name in the credits like we do on most of our videos. Next, you get to help decide which videos are going to be next. And if you can't do that, then there's other ways to do it. Make a single donation, or just leave helpful comments down below. It's all up to us how this channel does, and with your support we can make it build and grow in the new year. And as always, have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.